Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin. Will you be an angel for a helpless animal? Every day, innocent animals are abused, beaten, and neglected.
Kaya, please just fucking go Stop. What are you doing?
And they're crying out for help.
I think her collar's too tight.
Yeah, well, it's
Come here. Stay. If you run right now, I'll fucking kill you. Like, I'll actually kill you, okay? In front of everyone. Stay.
Please, call the number on your screen and join the BC SPCA with a monthly gift right now. For just $18 a month, only 60 cents a day, you'll help rescue animals from their abusers and provide medical care, food, shelter, and love.
My old roommate wanted to use a shock collar for his dogs. I have it still. I bought it. They are incredibly effective.
What is happening? Place. Kaya, place.
That's crazy.
What the hell?
That's crazy. This is a dog. Like, I don't give a shit. It's just such a lib ass, like, oh, dude.
Do we think it's allowed?
Right now, there's an animal who needs you. Your call says, I'm here to help. Please call right now.